Hey there guys, Obnes Reviews here, and today we are checking out the Wheelmaker Automatic Electric Water Gun. Small Phillips screwdriver. We have a 1200 milliampere hour lithium ion battery, charging cord, a drum magazine, a regular magazine, and our Wheelmaker Automatic Electric Water Gun. So on our electric water gun here, you can choose between the regular magazine and the drum type magazine to use for our blaster. So in both of these, we can store water for our electric water gun. So obviously, there will be more water to be stored on the drum type here. But in terms of portability and being compact, you will never go wrong with the normal magazine here. In terms of our battery, of course we have a 2-pin connector here, and on our charging cord as well. It is USB interface like the other one that we reviewed before. By the way, if you haven't seen that other electric water gun which we have reviewed, check the link right here or on our video description. A USB interface for you to be able to charge our battery here. So of course you have to charge this one first before we can use it on our Wheelmaker Automatic Electric Water Gun. Okay, so let's go to our main blaster here. So there's a branding in here. This is our trigger. It's quite a large one in terms of the size, as well as our grip here. It's definitely for people with bigger hands. I think kids will have a hard time grasping this with one hand. They would use two, but maybe it's still operable for them, right? We have a rail under here, so maybe we can add some accessory here, and that is how our water barrel in front looks like. The muzzle from which the water will be coming out is embedded on the gun, so it's inside. So up here we have somewhat like a sight in here, if you can see that. We also have a mini rail here. I'm not sure if we can put anything there, but if you line up the sights, maybe that could work. So on the other side, it's the same. It's a transparent one, so we should be able to see how it works when you put on the water and the battery in it. And on this side, on the left side here, is our mag release button here, right here. So push the button and eject the mag. And this also has a blowback feature, this part here, when you are using the water gun. So when we power this one and we push the trigger, there's a feature here where this should be moving, this part here, as if it is really a blowback pistol gun. So that's a unique feature of this electric water gun. So that's all the parts that we have on this electric water gun. Next we should be powering this water gun with our rechargeable battery. So we have a 1200 milliampere hour rechargeable lithium ion battery. So let's do that next. So in terms of the battery placement, it would be under here on this rail. We'll be using the small Phillips screwdriver which come with our water gun. So just under here, there's a screw head there. So let's go ahead and remove it. So this one comes off, and that is where we put our rechargeable battery. As you can see, the terminal or the connector is right there. So we got our battery here, the 2-pin terminal that we have. We will be connecting on the battery terminal here inside. So you see the 2 pins there. So you just have to cut inside with the 2 pins on the battery terminal. So there we go. Our battery is now connected. So all we need to do is tuck it inside here. So you can tuck it in like that. And now we put the cover back on. I would just like to point out the cover here, the battery, it has rubber on the sides there, so as to protect it from water. So we push that down and we tighten our screw head again with the Phillips screwdriver. And there, our battery is now installed. So that's how it sounds like without water, of course, after installing the battery. So you see the blowback feature on the end here. It's really nice, right? So just imagine playing with this blaster with water. I bet this would really be fun. So next would be filling our magazine with water, the normal magazine, and the drum type here. So we can test fire our Wheelmaker automatic electric water gun. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Wheelmaker automatic electric water gun. So as you have seen in our test firing there, this one packs a punch as well, and the blowback feature, that was really awesome. It adds to the fun of playing with our Wheelmaker here. In terms of the appearance, I would like our water gun to look like this, but unfortunately I would say that the most fun that we've had testing this water gun here is while using this one, the high capacity magazine there, because the regular one you continuously have to refill water when you're using that standard magazine. But compared to this one, the high capacity one, it takes longer times between reloads. So in conclusion, this really is a fun and amazing electric water gun. So if you have comments and inquiries about the Wheelmaker electric water gun here, please put your comments down below. So there you go guys, please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Obner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all to get notified once we upload another one of our blaster reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. You win perfect. That's been it. This is Obner's Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.